Welcome to DotCom Builders. In this video, I will share with you how to delete a subscriber from your emails list in Brevo. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log into your Brevo account, then click on CRM, and here you will then click on lists, and you will see the available lists or emails lists on your account. For this video, I will delete an email subscriber from this list. As you see, this is a test email list with test subscriber. To delete it, simply click on the subscriber that you want to delete and click on more actions and select delete permanently. A new window pops up. You are about to delete one selected contact. Deleting contacts is permanent and cannot be undone. Type 1 to confirm. So I will type 1, click on delete. As you see, deleting this contact, it can take a few minutes. Before I continue this tutorial, I want to let you know that you can get access to my DotCom Builder Academy today for free. Inside this academy, there are multiple online courses, including ones about hosting your email, website builder, web hosting, hosting your WordPress, Bluehost, and I've just finished I've just completed my tutorial. And I've just completed another free online course about Brevo, which is an email provider, and also about Google Search Console. Let's see a demo of what the online courses looks like. This is a web hosting online course, and as you can see, my courses are very detailed. Let's check this one about Bluehost. And as you see, they are well detailed. To get all of this today for free, simply go to academy.dotcom.builders, link in the description. Fill in this simple form and you can get access to this DotCom Builders Academy. Without any further ado, let's continue this tutorial. And now if I refresh this page, the contact is deleted successfully, and this is how to delete a subscriber. By the way, you will receive a successful, but you will see a confirmation. Yes, you will receive a deletion confirmation email message from Brevo. And this is how to delete a subscriber from your emails list in Brevo. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below. And don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.